In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for stock market research fast and easy. Google Trends is an incredibly powerful and free tool that allows you to analyze the popularity of search queries in Google Search across various regions and languages. When used effectively, it can offer invaluable insights into trends that might influence market movements, help you make informed decisions about stock investments, and even identify emerging market opportunities. Let's start by opening up your browser and navigating to Google. In the search bar, type Google Trends, and the first link you see should take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. If you're not familiar with the layout, don't worry. It's a user-friendly platform designed to make data insight accessible to everyone, regardless of their expertise level. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see an option marked Explore. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Explore page, where you can begin to input the specific keywords related to the stock market. Think of keywords that interest you, or that you've heard popping up in financial news, such as stock market, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Tesla stock, buy stocks, or even more timely topics like stock market crash. Enter these terms into the search bar and hit Enter. The platform will then provide you with a graphical representation of how interest in these search terms has changed over time. To refine your search, you can set the location and adjust the time range at the top of the chart. Select a region or country that you're focusing on and choose a time frame. Look at the past 12 months for recent interest, or opt for the past 5 years if you're aiming to analyze long-term patterns. These settings can help you pinpoint when particular stocks or terms spike in popularity, which might correlate with significant news events or shifts in market conditions. Now analyze the results. Note any spikes in interest, as these often coincide with sudden news events or moments of market volatility. If you notice sustained growth, this could mean there's increasing public interest, which might hint at potential growth for certain stocks or the market as a whole. Conversely, a decline might indicate waning interest, signaling possible market fatigue. Scroll down the page and you'll find sections for related topics and queries. Here you can discover which companies, ETFs, or sectors are on the rise, and see what questions are trending in public searches, such as best stocks to buy now. Pay particular attention to rising or breakout queries, as these can highlight imminent or ongoing shifts in market sentiment. Additionally, Google Trends allows for comparative analysis. Click on Plus Compare to add more search terms, such as comparing Apple stock versus Microsoft stock or stock market versus crypto. This comparative view helps you understand where public attention might be shifting, allowing for a broader understanding of potential investment risks and opportunities. By leveraging these insights, you'll be better equipped to anticipate market shifts and make more informed investment decisions. Happy analyzing!